Tired of slow charging cables that barely last a few weeks? The Abosi 10ft USB-C to Lightning cable is Apple MFi certified, guaranteeing safe and efficient charging for your iPhone or iPad. That certification means it meets Apple's strict standards, so your device gets the fastest possible charge without risk. What really stands out is its power delivery fast charging support. When paired with a USB-C power adapter, this cable can juice your iPhone up to 50% in just 30 minutes. That's a serious time saver when you need a quick boost before heading out. Durability is another win here. The cable features a tough braided nylon jacket in 2 distinct shades, making it easy to spot among your other cords. This design not only looks sharp but also resists tangling and everyday wear, so you won't have to replace it anytime soon. Length matters, too. At 10 feet, this cable gives you freedom to charge comfortably whether you're at your desk, on the couch, or even relaxing in bed. No more awkwardly stretching to reach outlets or moving your device just to keep it plugged in. Customers across the U.S. are praising this cable for its reliability. One user shared how many cables they'd gone through before finally finding this one, highlighting its impressive quality and long-lasting performance. That kind of feedback speaks volumes about what you can expect. If you're looking for a dependable, fast-charging cable that won't fray or fail, the Abosi 10ft USB-C to Lightning cable is worth a look. It combines Apple's trusted certification with a design built to last and a length that fits your lifestyle. Ready to upgrade your charging experience? This cable offers exactly what you need: safety, speed, and durability, all wrapped in a convenient length. Try it when you're ready to cut down on charging frustration and keep your Apple devices powered up effortlessly.